Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable shortcuts to sync to iCloud on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now we go down and tap on Shortcuts. Then in here, tap on iCloud Sync. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, turn it on. Once it is turned on, your shortcuts will be able to sync to iCloud. And if you have another device that is connected to the same iCloud account, then it will also sync to those devices as well. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.